How to log out of Temu. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can disconnect the Temu app. First of all, you need to open up the Temu app. Then click on your profile icon from the bottom bar. Scroll down in You and click on Settings. Then from the settings, click on the Sign Out button. After that, if you're sure to sign out from your Temu account, click on Sign Out. Then tap on Leave to sign out. After that, click on the profile or You icon to see there's no sign-in account here. You can sign in back to your account from here if you want to. Well, this is how you log out of Temu. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.